Thank you. Thank you.
I want to bring this community, the schools, the children, the new generation. I think it's called Generation Alpha, the new one after Gen Z. Now the next one is Generation Alpha. So let them come together, let them stay together. There is no point to do something which can damage your own home, your own city, or your own town, your own country. Let's take care of our country. God blessings. We have a lot of things to do, and let's grow together. Let them teach how to play football. Means everybody knows it's a very favorite game, but let them bring together. And this is for primary education children's. It has been given by Oshwal Education Relief Board, and this is almost about 73 years old organization, which does, I'm very sure, Excellency, you must have heard about Oshwal schools, Oshwal colleges. So they do all these things for they started thinking about our community, how to go in, even when there is a drought or there is any other issues, they always come forward to help. And this is the initiative they took to help our primary school children to play with these things and come together. And Excellency, I hope that this is going to reach to the right destination to the whole primary children, and they'll be happy with these things, and they'll be together.
You can be sure that I'm the only person to distribute them.
Thank you so much.